Hello, this is WBZ's Jordan Rich, here to promote the Healthcare Heroes Fund, established at the Beth Isreal Deaconess Medical Center and Beth Isreal Leahy Health. The president of BIDMC is Peter Healy. Pete, you're obviously providing some of the best care in the world to patients, as you always do, but the focus also has to be on your dedicated and very brave staff.
Well, I would say that our focus here, since this all began, has been taking care of the patients, obviously, which people here are incredibly skilled at, very dedicated. They know how to care for these patients. They're doing a great job, but it's just so much harder because of all of the protective equipment that staff need to wear. So our focus on this has been as much with staff and on the protection of staff and the support for staff as it is on the actual care that we're providing. Because if we can't keep our staff protected, then obviously that's a double negative. It's terrible for the staff, and it won't work for the patients, and we can't fulfill our mission in providing this necessary care.
Personal protective equipment is on the minds of so many. Certainly you're dealing with needs in that area, as are most hospital centers.
We've gotten a lot of donations of PPE. We're literally scouring the earth from the Beth Isreal Leahy Health level for acquiring as much PPE as we can. We've been very involved in developing the testing required, because the way this works, it's kind of a vicious cycle. If you don't have adequate testing, you need to use more PPE because you can't be sure if a patient is positive or not. So we were early in developing testing here at BIDMC. That's helped us cohort our patients, our positive patients together, the COVID positive patients, which allows us then to utilize PPE effectively. And so it's that kind of cycle. But our biggest fear would be running out of PPE. So we've set up a lot of ways to manage that, and we've gotten a lot of donations. People have been very generous.
Let's now talk about other measures taken to help ease the burden on the staff at BIDMC. Peter, introduce us all to the Healthcare Heroes Fund.
This is incredibly hard work to do. In an environment of continual stress, it can be very anxiety-provoking. So we're doing lots of things through our Healthcare Heroes Fund to provide support to the staff. We've got an amazing number of cards and letters and donations. Lots of food donations. We do daily videos to highlight things that are going well and calling people out for above and beyond kind of accomplishments. We have wellness areas. You've heard of hotlines for various things, so we have a warm line for staff to call to talk to social work. Our social workers, chaplains, psych nurses are rounding on the floors. We've turned family waiting rooms into kind of Zen rooms for our staff with refreshments and space to rest. We've developed a relationship with Emmanuel College where staff can stay there for free if they feel like they need to stay away from their family. So it's been as much about how do we support the staff, how do we protect them, and how do we support them while providing all of this care.
My thanks to BIDMC President Peter Healy. You can help support frontline medical professionals, doctors, nurses, orderlies, administrators by going to bidmc.org/give. There you'll be able to connect with the Healthcare Heroes Fund. Once again, bidmc.org/give. We owe all of our frontline responders so much. I'm Jordan Rich, thanking you for listening. Take care.